Guys, welcome back to the channel. And look what we got here. Look what just came in the mail. And if you guys can't already tell, you guys already know what time it is. I already know what it is. I was expecting you. I had to suffer for 2 days for no communication with the world. But guess what? We back. We back, and we back in full effect. What we got here? We got the iPhone. We're ready to go. Look at this color. Green color of money. So we got the 13 Pro Max. We got all the little accessories that come with it. Ready to go. This is gonna be the new tool in production. Everybody invest in your equipment, invest in your tools. It's all part of the game. Like